Hello and welcome to another Screencastify. I'm Miss Finley and I'm going to kind of go over what we did in class today and show you how to do this homework. So this first one says, write the following as division sentences. And so with division, we've always told them to start with our biggest number. And so we're going to start with 18 because that's our biggest number. And then now we know that there are 6 in each group, or that there are 6 groups. We don't know the question, so we're not exactly sure, but it could go either way. So it's going to be 18 divided by 6 because that's one of the numbers that we have. And we don't have the other number, but we do know that 18 minus 6 is going to be 0. And we subtracted 6 3 times. So that is going to be our answer. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. If they wanted to do it the other way, 18 divided by 3 equals 6, that's fine too because we know that we subtracted 3 times and that there was 6 in each group. So either way is fine with division. Moving on to number 3 and 15, number 2, this one you do the exact same way. Moving on to number 3, it says complete the sentences below. 20 divided by 5 means blank partitioned into blank equal shares with blank in each share. So we talked today about partitioned, if we hadn't already mentioned it, and that just means divided or split into equal shares with how many in each share. So we always start again with the largest number. 20 is the one that's being divided or partitioned into equal shares. And we know 5 is going to be how many equal shares we have. So we're just going to do it the way the problem is. We start with our first number that's being divided, what it's being divided by, and then we find out how many go in each share. So if we don't know this off the top of our head, we could always draw a picture. So if we have 5 equal shares, we know we're going to 20, so we split it up evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, we stopped because 20 is where we were going. There are 4 in each share. And so that's just how we do that one. We do number 4 the exact same way. Number 5, it says, what division sentence is represented? So this is very similar to the multiplication arrays that we did when we were talking about multiplication. So with this division sentence, the first thing we have to figure out is how many are we starting with. So we can count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're starting with 18. We know that's our biggest number. 18 divided by, and we're going to do this the same way we did with multiplication. We do our rows first. So how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3. 18 divided by 3 equals how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. This one, unlike the first one we did, it does matter which order we do it in because we've told them with arrays, we always go rows first, then columns, or how many are in each row. Okay. Number 6 and 7, we're going to do both of those because it's they all go together. It says there are 16 slices of pizza and 4 boys. The boys share the pizza equally. How many slices does each boy get to eat? So just like we did over here on number 3, if we don't know this right off the top of our heads, we can draw a picture. There are 4 boys. There are 16 slices of pizza, so we just give one to each until we run out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and that's where we stop because there's 16 slices of pizza split between 4 boys. Each boy gets 4 slices of pizza. So a division sentence to represent this equation, we're always going to put the numbers that are in our problem in our sentence first, and then our answer that we had to find goes as the quotient. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. And in this one, it doesn't matter because they're the same. And then you do the exact same thing for 8 and 9. And the last one is number 10. It says, draw a picture to represent the division sentence below and find the quotient. The quotient is just the answer. Whatever the answer is, that's what the quotient means. So we can draw several different pictures to represent 35 divided by 7. We could draw an array, and that would mean there are 7 rows, and figure out how many go in each row. Or we could draw equal groups. So that's what I'm going to do. But if it doesn't matter how they draw it, as long as it has 7 groups with 5 in each group, which we'll find out. So that's the answer in just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops, it's a little laptop. All right, 7 groups. Figure out how many goes in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And so there are 5 in each group. If you wanted to draw an array, we could do it that way too. We make 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you keep doing that until you get to 35 to figure out how many go in each row. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. With arrays, though, they have to be very careful. It might help to draw lines so that they stay in line in rows and columns. Because if they get off, then they might not put the right number in each row or each column. So it's easier to me to do equal groups, but if they want to do an array, that's perfectly fine. And so that's everything on the papers. I hope you enjoyed and you got something out of it. See you next time.